Hi, welcome to Drive with Care. Time for another route that I've done on quite a few occasions. Caple Le Ferne down to Folkestone, and I'm doing this because the last three videos I put out didn't seem to have a lot of hazards. So I'd like to see if I can encounter a few more than normal. Get the sunnies on, wipe the nose, because I've got the tail end of that cold, still hasn't gone. I've always got a cold, I really have. So we're going to start here. I thought I would start on the old Dover Road. Can you imagine this was the only road connecting Folkestone to Dover once upon a time? Because it's more interesting than the 40-mile-an-hour road just the other side of the houses. And I might see a few more hazards. I can see Folkestone down there. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but you might see it as I drive around the bend here. Avoid the potholes at all cost. Pedestrians in the road, yay. First hazard. I will, of course, make all my hazards with yellow and red squares. Yellow indicating a hazard, but potentially not a showstopper, you know, I don't have to take action. A red meaning I'm likely going to have to stop or take some kind of action. Entering a 20 zone. Clifftop Cafe. They only take cash there, as I recall. Probably because they got no Wi-Fi and they can't do the thing. We got pedestrians in the road who don't seem to want to move over. It's a walking kind of day. What do you think about that? Still a 20 zone. More pedestrians. There's a lady walking her beagles. She probably won't hear me because I'm not revving my engine, right? She's got headphones on, you see. Let's just put our earphones in. She smiled at me. I'm not sure if that was a kind of apologetic smile. Anyway, who's to say? Still doing 20. But I'm glad I did this because I got some hazards. We like hazards, don't we? On a hazards awareness driving channel. Okay, giveaway junction, I want to go left, so let's get the old indicators on. Well, I've got nobody behind me and nobody in front of me, but we still have to let people know, because I don't know if there's somebody going to be stood at the junction when I approach it. So now into a 40 zone. Battle of Britain Memorial there. To do a walk around. I wonder if I should do a walk around video of the memorial. So Folkestone starts here. I would have thought Folkestone starts at the bottom of Dover Hill, but there you go. 14% gradient, keep in low gear. So it's one lane going down and two lanes coming up. And you've got the solid whites separating my lane from the other two lanes. There's Folkestone ahead. Sunny Folkestone. Sea is looking particularly green today. Now what way do I go? Do I turn left here? Yes, let's go left here. Slip into my lane. One-way system and 30 miles an hour. Not that I would be coming up this lane, but it lets me know that no one's going to be approaching me. Now into two-way traffic. This feels like San Francisco, going down the hills to the harbour. San Francisco Bay, or is it Folkestone Bay? Give way ahead. A couple of cars coming, so we will give way. Cars parked on both sides of the road. Still going downhill. It's all downhill from here. What I'll do is drive into the Harbour Arm, not the Harbour Arm, the old area. Zebra crossing, no one crossing, I was aware of it. Got pedestrians ahead. I'm going to let them cross. Because he had a buggy, you see, and I felt charitable. So we're going left at the roundabout. Yeah, as I was saying, we'll go into where the fish market is in the harbour area. See if I can pull up there. Want to go down tram lane, so slide into my lane. Car behind me isn't indicating because they're indicating now. I was going to be critical of their driving. We shouldn't be critical of one another. We should praise and uplift. Right, van coming out of, or minibus coming out of junction. Zebra crossing with no one waiting. Low bridge, but no trucks, so obviously you'd have to go into the middle if you were a lower vehicle. Cars deciding to come out. Bit of a blind bend here. Car coming straight out. And then hanging out onto the road. Is that good etiquette? Maybe he saw nothing coming. I shall go down here. Onto this nice little cobblestone area. Vehicle. Oh, I wanted to go then. I thought I could get in there, especially because they were going so slow. Didn't acknowledge me. Giving way to him. Oh. How very dare he. Can I pull up here? Yeah, let's pull up here where all the people are and look at the harbour for a moment. Folkestone Harbour, the tide is in. I like it when the tide is in. There you go, Caple Le Ferne to Folkestone Harbour. Not bad. A few hazards there, weren't there? Okay, that concludes today's batch of videos, although the others have been released previous to this one. Should keep the momentum going for a little bit. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and get the algorithm working, get the video pushed out to the world. And I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.